It's a beautiful evening and you're having a friend over for dinner and would like to cook something that's really hearty and of course delicious. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with Meatball Ziti Pasta. So let's get started. Let's make the marinara sauce. Let's prepare the meatballs. Beef meatballs or turkey meatballs are recommended for this recipe. Time to make the ziti pasta. Let's build the dish. Set the timer for 25 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Popular around the globe, meatballs date back as far as ancient Rome. Early recipes were also found in Greek cookbooks featuring lamb with egg yolks and saffron. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That looks great right out of the oven. Let's get a portion on a plate. Garnish with grated Parmesan cheese. And of course, chopped parsley. Let's have a bite of this amazing pasta. Wow, the meatballs pair well with the marinara sauce, and of course the pasta is the star of the dish. Join our community, leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like you found the perfect recipe for you and your guest. Stay with us. Watch another video.